Hey guys, what a beautiful day we had today. Today was awesome, beautiful day we had today. Just potholes in the road. I don't like that. So annoying when potholes. It's so annoying when people don't fix the potholes. The city do. Don't fix them. I don't like that. What are you doing? Oh, cars going by fast. Don't like that either. People going fast every single day. We hear. And yeah, I don't like that because sometimes make me so nervous because people will when I read not too long ago was an accident. Somebody each hit each other and they got mad. Da, 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 da. People always crazy on him. I will see you in the next one.